Now we're going to be installing a theme into the WordPress, which makes it easy to build out our site. The theme we're going to be using is called the Divi Theme, and it's built by the company Elegant Themes. So this is the link that we need to use. This is actually an affiliate link for me, so when you do click through on this, it will take you to Elegant Themes and I will get a commission of the sale. So click on that one and it will take us through to Elegant Themes homepage. Now all you need to do is click on the right here to join, to download, and it will bring up the packages here. So there's a package on the left which is $89 US per year, and this is great if you just want to build one website. And then there's the package on the right which is the $249, which is lifetime access, so you can access it forever, all their themes and all their plugins. Now I would just recommend this if you're just going to be doing one website, but if you're going to be thinking about building multiple websites in the future, then this would definitely be the one to sign up to. So let's click on this one to sign up. Now again, you need to create a username and password, and make sure you write down those passwords so you don't forget them, and write down that it's for Elegant Theme with the Divi theme. Your name, your last name, and then you can pay either via credit card or PayPal. Then you need to just tick down here terms of service and complete your registration. So you go through those, enter your details, your residency, current country of residence, make those payments, and then complete your registration. Now once you have signed up, you will get a confirmation email. But then we want to just sign back into Elegant Themes. And it will ask you to log in. So you just need to log in, enter your password and username. And now we're going to download the Divi theme. So this is the members area that you would land on. So here you have the area where you can download themes. So there's lots of different themes and plugins that you can add, and you can view all downloads here. So the theme that we're wanting to download today is the Divi theme. We're going to also then be downloading the Divi builder once we've downloaded the Divi theme. So what I want you to do is just click on this one and it will drop down and download that onto your computer. And while we're here, we're also going to download the Divi builder, which we need to install as well. Now the Divi builder is a plugin, not a theme. So the theme is the underlying framework that we're going to be working on WordPress, and the Divi builder is something to make it easy to build. So you'll be able to see it a bit later. So you only ever have one theme in your WordPress dashboard, but you can have multiple plugins. So now that we've downloaded our Divi theme, just make sure you store it away in an area that you can find it, but you can always go back to your Elegant Themes members area and download it again. Now that we have that stored away, we now want to sign into our WordPress dashboard. Now the way you can sign in is you can go to your website. So I'm going to go to the Growing Kitchen, and then you add /WP for WordPress admin, and then enter. So you have your domain name and then /WP-admin. And so now I want to sign in. Now if you're having trouble remembering your password and your username, you can also sign in via your Bluehost account. So go into bluehost.com. This is where we have purchased our hosting for our website, where they're storing all of our website files. So you can also sign in to your WordPress dashboard via this way. So then you just have to log in to your Bluehost. It'll ask you your username and password, or it will take you straight in if it remembers it. And then you can go to your sites, and then you can log into your website that you want to access via this way, and it'll take you straight through to your dashboard here. Alright, so this is the WordPress dashboard. So this is the back end of your website where you'll be doing all of your building out your pages and your blog posts, adding your images and media and all those sorts of things. So on the left hand side it might look a little bit different because now the Bluehost has a integration into your dashboard. Not everybody would have the Bluehost if they're not hosting with Bluehost. Down here, this is your post section. So this is where you would actually be doing your blog posts. Media is where all your images are stored and where you can add videos and images. And pages is where we start building your home page, about page, contact page, all of your pages from here. So if we go to our dashboard home, there's a lot of advertising as well that comes up here. Messages, you wouldn't have the WooCommerce yet because you haven't set that one up. And welcome to WordPress, customize your site, edit your front page, all these sorts of things. Now you can get rid of the things that you don't want to see anymore on here. You just literally click them away. So I'm going to click away these things. Now these at a glance is about your blog posts and your pages that you've created, and there's WordPress events and news that are coming up, some statistics, which is what the Jetpack we had installed, and WooCommerce, which you guys will be installing a little bit later. So for this module we're going to be installing our Divi theme, which we just downloaded from Elegant Themes. So what we need to do is to go down to the appearance module and then head up to themes. So WordPress automatically just install this theme for us. So the Divi theme that we want to install gives us a lot of customization. Now we want to install a new theme. So here we want to click upload, and there's all these other little pop-ups, so I'm just going to get rid of that one. Now there's lots of themes that are down here that are already installed on WordPress. We are going to be using the Divi theme, so we're going to upload that theme. So just click the upload button and then scroll down and you'll see this section where it says if you have a theme in a zip format you may install it by uploading here. So what we want to do is to go in and find where we stored our Divi theme. So here is the Divi theme. Yours would just say Divi zip. This is probably because it's the fourth time I've installed a lot. So now it says Divi zip. So we want to install this now. So click install now. Now, if you have a Mac computer, sometimes they unzip automatically. So you'll need to figure out how to rezip that file. If you get stuck, contact me and I'll be able to send you a link showing you how to do that. But it needs to be, the file needs to be zipped. So when you download the Divi theme from Elegant Themes, it would have been zipped, but sometimes your computers automatically will unzip that file, but you need to rezip all that or create a setting on your computer where you change it to make sure that the zip files stay the same. Again, if you're having any issues with the installing the Divi theme, let me know. So here it's saying installing theme from uploaded file Divi zip. Here's that little notification by WooCommerce. You won't have that because you don't have WooCommerce yet. It's saying it's unpacking the package, it's installing the theme, and then it's saying the theme was installed successfully. So now what I want to do is I want to activate this theme. Now, if you are having any error messages coming up here, it will be to do with the upload size. And you would need to contact your host. So if you're not using Bluehost, you'll have to contact your host and ask them to increase the max load that you can upload for your WordPress so that you can then install the Divi theme. Again, if you're having issues uploading this theme, please contact me and I will help you out. So the theme has installed successfully, our Divi theme. That is a zip file. So now we want to activate that theme. So we just want to click activate. Now this may take a while to install. But now when we're in the appearance and theme area, you can now see the Divi theme has been installed and it is active. And we can go in and customize that, which we will be doing later. The next step will be installing the Divi builder.